Dori O'Neill here, and by way of mutual request, I was asked to shorten the how to place your first person into Shoppy Shop and how to change the rotator. So enjoy the shortened version. What is the common leg? And so the common leg is the leg or structure for which your sponsor was brought into by his sponsor. And generally speaking, it'll either be left or right. It's very, very simple. So now, as a new member of Shoppy Shop, you have a task. So you're going to ask the sponsor what the common leg is. You're going to come into organization. You're going to go to preferred placement. See how that is? And there are three selections: left, right, and non-specific. You're going to, for the very first person that you're going to enroll into Shoppy Shop, you're going to select the common leg. You're going to select that common leg. You're going to select the leg. Make sure you save. So in this case, it's right. You save it. You place them in there. And that is the person that's in the common leg. Now, this structure is called a binary structure. So there's two primary legs that you're working with. And so your inside leg is also referred to as your pay leg. So you're going to come back after you place that person in, back in here. Let me go back. Look at that, made a mistake. Organization, preferred placement again. Okay, still going to be right. You're going to select the other leg. And remember, your sponsor tells you what the common leg is. You're going to select the other leg and you're going to hit save. Okay, now you go back to your list of people. There should be 9 remaining in the top, and you just start placing those people into the left leg. You just simply repeat that process all the way down, and you monitor your left and right volume. So now you know how to set your rotator. You have a right leg and you have a left leg. Make sure you save each and every time you make a selection. You'll also see non-specified, and what that means is that if you set it to non-specified, it will put 1 on the left, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and it'll just keep doing that continuously. I don't recommend that personally, but you can do that if that is the way you want to build your organization. I hope you enjoyed it. My name's Dori O'Neill, and we'll see you in the next training video. Goodbye.